We're doing, look, there's a camera. They see what you're doing. They're gonna show it to the policeman. My name is James Rowlett. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. So the backstory is, it was 3 weeks before LS Fest, and I had a small block Ford in here still with a 5-speed. And I'm an LS guy. I just had the car, and I said, when it blows up, I'll swap it. Well, you know, it made it all summer, and then we blew it up with nitrous. So I said, we're gonna swap the car before LS Fest, and we're gonna race it. So it was 3 weeks, did a 370-inch motor, power glide, the whole fuel system, Holley EFI, wheels and tires, suspension. I'm talking about everything. And it actually didn't run until we got here at LS Fest. Never been started. We tried to start it, we had some issues, and Tom Keiss came over and helped me, and we got it going, and he's got some funny stories about that. But ever since then, I've been 100% Holley EFI, and the car's just grown and grown and grown and grown and grown, and we've just had a great time. Pretty much a base tune-up would make a pass on this thing with the Holley, man. It's just awesome. The first pass I'd ever made, period, was like 940 in the quarter. Never even been down the track one time. You know, that's how good this stuff is. It just went on down through there, man. Just crazy. Stock shocks on it still. I mean, it shouldn't have gone that fast or whatever, but now it's, you know, a high 4-second 8th mile car. You know, I've got it has an HP because I can make HP work with my setup. It has the intake manifold, fuel rails, the brushless pump. You know, anything that can be Holley is on this car. And where I work at, we're a Holley dealer, so, you know, no matter what, I try to get that on the car. You know, it just helps us to sell it. And we honestly, ever since I put this car together and put this wrap on it, and snipers came out, dude, I put at least 1 or 2 snipers on something a week, and it keeps going. And so I'm glad to be back at LS Fest this year. You know, I've had 2 years off, and I called Lonnie Grimm, and he said, man, you better get here on Thursday or you're not gonna have a parking spot. He's like, it's grown that much since you've been here. I've been racing here since I was a kid, junior dragsters, and I've never seen the pits go this far, ever. I participated in a TV show this season called Fastest Cars in the Dirty South. It's a new one, it's on Motor Trend on demand, and it's not gonna be out on TV till the fall, I think. These are the guys that are on the show, and I just kind of put their picture on there to screw with them, you know. But we finished that season up, and if you haven't seen it, the stakes were, if I gave them a slow car I had, and I had this car, and they said they would fix my slow car and outrun my fast car. So they had the car for 4 months. It was a Vega. I had a 5.3 in it and stuff. They did their thing. We came back and raced, and I ended up outrunning them in the end. And I got the car back with everything they did. So that's what I did with that. So yeah, it's been a good year just playing around. And I came here, and I'm trying to win that $10,000. But honestly, just being here, bringing all my friends, everybody hanging out, cooking, you know, just seeing all the cool stuff. If you can just come here and be a part of it, it's a big deal, in my opinion. You know, I actually missed my time trials today, and I'm waiting for the next one. I haven't even made a pass in this car this weekend, and I don't even care. We've been hanging out and grilling, and, you know, got my little girl, and so we had a good time.